Hello traders, hope you all enjoy trading. In this video, this will be an educational video. In this video, I will share with you how you can find the head and shoulders pattern and how we can enter our trade with it. For example, here we have head and shoulders pattern. How we can find it? Head and shoulders pattern created when we have two shoulders and head. First, this will be the first shoulder, this one. So this will be our first shoulder, and this will be our head. And to can create a good pattern, a good head and shoulders pattern, head should be above and bigger than two shoulders. And how we can enter our trades? When we have a head and shoulders pattern, we should put our neckline from the left shoulder to the head, like that. And how we can enter our trades and how we can measure our targets. First one, we need a closure in the same time frame we put it. So for example, now we are on daily time frame, so we need a daily candlestick close below our neckline to confirm that this pattern is correct and working. So here we have a daily closure below this neckline, and then we will wait the price to go up or even enter directly from here because the closure not away from the neckline. So if we entered it from here, and the last thing, how we can measure our target, we should put this tool from the high of the head to the neckline, so 2600 pips. So we will put it like that, and then we will put our trade. This will be our trade, looks like. So we made 250 pips, zero drawdown, and we didn't risk too much because we have 1 to 5 risk reward ratio. We have a very good pattern and all conditions done. We have a left shoulder smaller than head, and then right shoulder, and we have a daily closure at the same time frame we are in. And then we waited for a retest to the same neckline, and then enter the SL trade, and our target will be less than this, maybe 80% from this, to be sure that the price will hit the target. This is a very simple pattern. In the next videos, I will share more patterns and how we can find it and how we can handle with it. Hope you all benefit from this education video. Trade safe and have a nice day.